So I picked up a SprayIT low volume, low pressure gravity feed gun. So let's talk about it and then let's use it.
Everything will be an underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an underground king.
What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, and we back with another video. And today, we talking about SprayIT, low volume, low pressure, gravity feed, spray gun. And this is the SP-33000 LVLP gravity feed spray gun, to be exact. So, just want to talk about it real quick, and then we gonna jump right into it, man, and get some action going. So, here's the gun, and I don't know, man. It's kind of light. It's not heavy in the hand. It feels pretty good. But first thing that I noticed is it's got that grease or whatever that everybody likes to pack these, cheaper guns with. So it comes with a toolkit, brush, everything that you clean your gun with. Comes with a filter in with the kit, but it also comes with a filter on the inside of the gun. So when I looked at the gun, saw that it had the grease around the threads, which before you do anything, clean this gun before you use it. The filter that they put in the gun also has the grease on the filter. So you definitely don't want to use that. So just toss that. That's trash. Don't even use it. So it's got a 1.3 tip. And all in all, it's a good looking gun. But we're going to check it for performance today. See what it's going to do. But again, like I said, it feels good in the hand. Onto the cup itself. Pretty nicely made cup. This here, I don't use this either. So I take that, throw that off to the side. And I'm just gonna use that opening right there at the top of the cup to get my air. All in all, the cup looks good. And like I said, we're gonna get this thing cleaned up and put together and see what she'll do. See if we can get a nice panel out of it and see if this thing might be worthy of using with a small compressor, and if we can get a nice paint job out of it. But let me go to the box and give you a little description of this paint gun. So, low volume, low pressure, aluminum gun body, 20-ounce cup, stainless steel, fluid needle, and separate adjustable fluid fan pattern and controls. So, as you can see, here and here. Now, air consumption, 3.5 to 3.9 CFM at 30 PSI. So working pressure is 28 to 45 PSI. Maximum pressure is 60. So you can get a fan pattern of 7 to 10 inches. Tip size 1.3, we already said. Air inlet, quarter for the hose and connector. And it says right on the box, ideal for small compressor users. So that's you. You at home, you in that garage, and you don't have a big shop setup. You got a small compressor. They say this is it. This is gonna work for you. And it also says that it's excellent for automotive use, home and furniture applications, for all you guys that like to do that woodwork too and use it for that. So it's good for lacquers, enamels, stains, urethanes, and fast dry, low viscosity coatings. So listen, all that's nice. But let's see if this thing is gonna perform like we need it to. So let's get right into it. As you can see, our air hose hooked up to the small compressor. So central pneumatic, 21 gallon, I believe. Yep. 21 gallon, 2.5 horsepower, stage 1, single stage. So that's the compressor we're using today. And like many of you that might have that same type of compressor, again, this setup is going to work for you with this low volume, low pressure gun. All right, so got the gun set up, paint mixed. The fender that I'm spraying, we already got a sealer applied to it. So I set the gun up at full fluid. So I got the fluid all the way open. Then I opened up the fan all the way. Then I closed it 2 turns. So after I closed it down 2 turns, I got the pattern that I wanted. So we're gonna spray this fender and see what happens. Let's get to it. All right, so we got 2 coats of the base on, which I only showed you one, but I don't want to drag this video on. So 2 coats of the base is on. We're gonna lay down 2 coats of clear. And right now I'm liking what I see. So let's jump right into it. Same settings as the base is what we're gonna use for the clear. And let's apply it and see what happens. Alright, kings and queens, so you just saw me spraying the fender, and for me, this gun is definitely a winner. Now when I sprayed it, I got a little orange peel, but I sprayed it at 28 PSI. I think if I had bumped it up a little bit higher, it would have atomized that clear a little bit better, and I would have got a better result out of my clear. But it still was a nice result. So I don't really see no flaws with this gun. It cleans well, it atomized nice, it's built well, the cup is nice, I didn't see any leaks, so nice fan on it. You can adjust it to what you need it to. It's going to be definitely a wide enough fan for you. I think it's a good gun. And I didn't even tell you the price. So, found this on Amazon. Nice little kit. Nothing fancy. And came up to like $50 and some change. I mean, a gun that's going to get your project done like this for 50 bucks, you can't beat it. So, hey, what can I say? I think it's a good gun. I think if you're in the market for looking for an LVLP gun to do your project, the SprayIT, what is it? 33,000 LVLP gravity feed spray gun, you should definitely look into it. Definitely look into it. I'm glad I got it, and I'm definitely gonna spray some more with it. I already got another project in mind that's gonna be an overall paint job with it, so that's coming soon. But enough talk. Let's check out the fender.
Everything